and welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147. Happy Fansells Friday, everybody. So I've got a few different items as usual to share with you today. One of them is a little bit different because I do like to vary it a little bit. But these, it's a big pack. But it's a pack of cards that you can then diamond paint. So they do Christmas type ones and stuff as well, but I thought this was a little bit more suiting for the time of year. So we have, if I can get them all the right way around, so we have a thank you card, of which you diamond paint on this section, and then it has thank you and a space to write. We have a for you card with a gorgeous butterfly, and then again it has nice details inside and a space for you to write. We've got a happy birthday to you with room inside. We've got a thank you with a butterfly, loads of different designs in this, and a space to write your note. We have a life is beautiful. Oh no, it does have a clear coating. I could hardly see a clear coating then on that one. Life is beautiful. That's gorgeous inside that one. We have another thank you with some daisies. We have a happy birthday to you on a cake. These will be fun to give out. Just call me baby. Distance is not a problem because in the end I have you. Oh, that's sweet. And you are my sunshine. Another thank you. Is it a thank you? No, it's the best wishes. And then it does have thank you on the back and a thank you on the inside. So you need to tie those two together. We just have a hello. That one's gorgeous. That's got quite a bit of detail. And that's plain inside. So that could fit all sorts of occasions. And then we have a couple more happy birthday ones. We have one here with a cake and space to write inside, and then one with balloons and a cake. So quite universal in regards to the birthday and stuff. How many was that? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 cards in total. You do get your envelopes for sending them. Also nice safe place to store them in the envelopes once you're done. Get a toolkit, coat wax pen, and then we get a load of special diamonds. Well, a mixture. So this is probably a special project that I may kit up, in the fact that I'd kitted up with the numbers. Do they all use numbers? Yeah, they do. So even going up to the higher numbers, 13, 14, basically what number's on the bag is the number that's on the card. So I would kit this up as number 1 to 19, and then I could do the cards whenever I wanted. But we do have a mixture of some special diamonds. We also have some plain white and some AB white, so I'm not even sure if you can tell the difference, but there is an AB coating on this one that isn't on this one. So there is a mixture of two there. Oh, you get 2 bags of AB. That's good. Means there's lots of it. And then we've got some plain ones. They don't give us any DMC number for them though. But we do have quite a few. Oh, we have AB coating on those blue. Just checking I've not missed any others. No, so there's an AB coating on that blue. And then they're plain. They're all plain. And then we have some more crystal ones here. And then we have some more crystal ones here. So you do get a pure mixture of the two in this, with some AB for some added sparkle. Let's put those all on my side for dealing with later. But yeah, a nice selection of cards, especially if you like doing some of the smaller things, you know, want to share with people what it is that you do. They're beautiful. I like those. Okay, then we're going to go for the big one. This one is quite thick. I don't know why it's quite thick, but it's quite thick. So let's see. Oh, I think there might be a lot of diamonds in this one. If I can get it out. Oh, there we go. It's out. It's out. What have we got? Oh, yes. This one just struck me because of the image. This is a long one. So can you see the image there? It's basically the cycles of the moon. Yes, there is 310, and yes, there is a lot of it. So if you have an aversion to 310, this might not be for you. This would definitely be one that would need to be done in stages. Because otherwise I think it could drive you up a wall. But this is, it says it's 30 high, of which the actual up-down area is 25. This could be quite nice to work on in a small area. But it says it is 115 long. Let's see how much it is actually long. This would look nice above a doorway. I like these long thin ones for above a doorway mounted on foam board. That's what I like to mount them on. But it's by 108, so you actually don't lose too much. But that's why it was so thick, because even though it's small, it's really, really long. And you do actually get 2 toolkits with this one, so it might be a nice one to do with somebody else. And I've got those little strips. They attach everywhere. I know they do from kitting up, putting together orders for my shop. I find them all over the house now. And from the stairs and everywhere. Oh, we've actually got a little bit of pink in this. Okay, how many bags of 310 do we have? Oh, it keeps going. Does it stop there? Okay, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. 9 bags of 310. We have a little bit of grey at the beginning, but then it's 310 heaven, which you'd expect. You can't really buy this painting and not expect 310s. We have a lot of greys, which is good for the shading. We have 20 colours, and they say they do have DMC. Quite a few different greys and browns. We've got a little bit of pink, which I can find can bring in and help with some of those colours. That one's, it's this way around DMC order that they go in. But we've got browns, dark greens, dark blues. And then for the lighter colours, we have got some lighter greens, as well as some white. What colour is that one? 3799 dark brown. But yeah, that really, really helps with shading, I find. And the shading looks really nice. From what I can see, looking at this moon, I mean, look, you can see the pattern, and that comes from all that confetti there. So while there is a lot of black to do, I do feel that, especially when you get to this one, you're going to have a huge impact. But you do also get it in the others. Even this one, it's got different colours to black all the way over here, as though it is showing that it's sort of a shadow over the moon rather than the moon disappearing. You can see here it does, oh well, I'm not sure if you can see actually, because the symbols, it's a W and a B, so they're different, but it does sort of fade in. Oh, that'd be fun though. It's not that wide, you see, so I think you'd feel like you were getting somewhere on the painting quite quick, and that would look stunning in one of those areas, you know, above a doorway, above a window, you know, where you may have some space but don't have the depth for a big picture. I like it. Okay, and then the final one, another piece of that annoying plastic stuff. Let's have a look what's in this one. In this one, oh yes, I picked this one. This, I was thinking of my son and potentially putting this up in his room. Eat, sleep, game, repeat. Again, a lot of black. Wasn't intentional. I don't know what I'm unboxing when I pull the packages out. I could probably find out by looking at the codes, but I don't. I just get hold of them. So yeah, another whole lot of black. It has 16 colours in this one. So there is still quite a bit of shading where these fade off, and that's to help the fade. It does have DMC numbers. And size wise, this one is 25 by 35. So that's quite common on the poured glue. Take 5 centimetres off for the border, 2.5 centimetres each side. Ooh. We do have a toolkit stuck to the back, boat wax pen. And then, how many bags of black in this one? I don't think we'll have 9, but we do have 4. So we have 4 big bags of black, and then some gorgeous reds, greens, oranges, all mixes in, browns, blue, oh, lime green, I like that, yellows, and more blues. Awesome. So that is the unboxings for today. We have the Moon Cycle, Eat, Sleep, Game and Repeat, very dark for both of them. But then we do have some gorgeous bright birthday cards and thank you cards, etc. that would be nice to sort of give out. Just because. Of course, the birthday ones normally need an occasion. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.